I'm Kathy. I have severe sleep apnea, and I've attempted to use the CPAP machine without any success. I hated it. It was uncomfortable to wear. It twisted up into my hair, and it was very noisy. So I stopped using it several years ago. And since I have done nothing about the sleep apnea. Well, then I met Dr. Shapira, and he made an appliance for me to wear at night. And I've been doing that for the last couple of days, and I find it extremely successful. I've been told I'm not snoring, and I feel like I'm resting better. So I'm very appreciative of what he's done for me.
Great. Can I put this on the internet?
Yeah.